In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish Wix website on Google. Complete Guide, 2025. We'll start inside the Wix website editor. From your Wix dashboard, open your site so you're in the editor workspace. If you're spinning up something new, choose the option to create a new site. This gives you a clean starting point and ensures the settings are aligned with the latest Wix features. When the template options appear, head into the Studio templates. These are modern, flexible, and great for professional results. Browse through the highlighted options to find a design that fits your brand or project. Once you've found one you like, select it and jump into Edit. Editing a template is the fastest path to a polished site because the structure is already in place and you're just customizing the content. Inside the editor, open the Assets panel. This is your content hub where you'll manage building blocks for your pages. From there, go to Sections, then explore Design Kits. Design kits keep your look consistent across pages by pairing typography, spacing, and visual patterns that work together. Next, move into wireframes. Wireframes are essential, pre-styled layouts. Think of them as best practice section blueprints that you can quickly drop into your page. Use the highlighted wireframe options to add the core sections your site needs. Start with a hero section to introduce who you are and what you offer. Add an about or value proposition section to clarify your message. Follow with services or features to show what people can get from you. Include social proof, testimonials, logos, or stats to build trust. Add a contact or lead capture section so visitors know exactly how to reach you. Finally, include a footer with essential links. As you insert each section, keep headlines clear, text concise, and imagery relevant. Consistency in fonts, colors, and spacing helps visitors feel confident and keeps your site easy to navigate. When your layout and content are in place, it's time to go live. Click Publish in the top right corner of the editor. Publishing makes your site publicly accessible and allows search engines to discover it. To finalize, choose Save and Continue. You'll get a live URL you can share immediately. After you publish, Google will begin discovering your site automatically. Indexing can take time, so don't worry if you don't see it right away in search results. Strong, descriptive headings, meaningful copy, and fast-loading images all help search engines understand your pages and improve visibility over time. That's it. Your Wix website